Today on Cake and Bakes with Alice, we're making a viral TikTok 2-ingredient apple cinnamon dessert.
Come bake with me. Happy holidays, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make this viral TikTok dessert, guys. This dessert is hot and everybody's making it. And the good news is it only takes 2 ingredients, just 2. Apple filling and Pillsbury grand cinnamon rolls. That's it, guys. Come on. I'm going to show you how to make it. All right, guys. First, you would need a baking dish. This can be like a 9x13 baking dish. Go ahead and spray it with your nonstick spray. Or if you look at the link below, you can see I have a video showing you how to make a non-stick spray that's less expensive than the stores. Second, you would need 1 can of apple filling, and then you'll need your Pillsbury grand cinnamon rolls. Just 2 ingredients, guys. Take 1 cinnamon roll and you're gonna cut it into 6 pieces, just like this here. We're gonna go 6. So let's just cut it straight down like this here. So you got 6 pieces and you're going to do all of them the same. We're going into 6 pieces. 1, and we can cut it this way, any kind of way you want to cut it. You can even cut it into 8 pieces if you want to, just like this, guys. Move that over. And then let's cut another one. I like to go 8 pieces. You can go 4 and 6, but 8 tends to do better for me. There we go. And then let's do another one. You can even try 6 this way, guys. There we go. And then we're going to do 1 more. There we go. Just like that, guys. All right, next, guys, all you're going to do is take your grand cinnamon rolls and you just going to put it in your pan just like this here. Just spread them around like this. Just like this, guys. Just put them all in your pan like this. We are just spreading them around in the pan. Just like this, guys. And I'm going to cut this one more time. There we go. This is how it should look, guys. Spread it just like this. All right, next, guys, we're just going to pour our apple pie filling right over it just like this, guys. Just going to pour all of that wonderful apple filling right over it. Just like this, guys. Now, once you get your apple filling, go ahead and give it a little toss like this, guys. And just continue, guys, to spread it just like this and get it as even as possible. And then, guys, this is going to go in the oven on 300 for 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and get it in the oven. All right, guys, once it finished baking, go ahead and take it out of the oven. Oh, it looks so good, guys. Wow. Look at there, guys. Gorgeous. Go ahead, guys, and let it cool for about 30 minutes to an hour. Then we're going to add our icing. All right, once it cools down to probably room temperature, guys, go ahead and add your icing just like this. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Yummy, yummy, yum. Only 2 ingredients, guys. This is something that you can make, guys, when you don't have time to make something that's gonna take a lot of time, guys, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Just add your icing on the top. Look at that, guys. Yummy, yummy, yum. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please help me get my channel views up. Please let me know what you like to see as well. And I'm just going to continue to use just the rest of this icing across here like this. I promise you guys, I cannot wait to taste this. It looks so delicious. All right, guys, that's it. Let's have a taste. Oh my goodness, it looks good, guys. Oh my, 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 my. Oh, you can really smell the apple in the cinnamon. Wow. Let's see. I promise you guys, if you try this, you are going to love it. Oh my gosh. You can really taste the apple. The cinnamon is just swimming through these apples. Oh my goodness. This makes a good dessert, guys, for the holidays. Again, easy 2-ingredient dessert that you can use for any occasion, or if you want to have something special for your family for no reason at all. This is a very quick, easy dessert. It is a viral dessert, guys, and it's delicious, guys. I'll see you next time, guys. Come bake with me.